So we are in Gunma Prefecture in Japan, and we are at a Ryokan, and this is the hallway. This is called Bettei Yaeno, which is a 4-room Japanese inn with onsen hot springs. It has 4 rooms. We have here Yamaboshi, which is a 70 square meter suite room. You can see here. Let's come on in. So you may have recalled, for those of you who've seen some of my videos, that last year we stayed at a place called Bettei Yaeno, which is about 15 minutes by car from here, so it's in the same area in what they call Minakami in Gunma Prefecture. And so Bettei Yaeno has 4 rooms. We'll start from the main area, living room. So you can see that for some reason these chairs are sit higher than these guys. So I guess it's a matter of taste, but this is kind of the living room area. You have a little TV. A lot of Japanese places for some reason have tiny TVs. A nice touch there. A little yard area, patio. You can see it's pretty private. So a few things about this place. It's unusual in that there's no public space, there's no reception, there's no lobby, there's no gift shop. It's extremely intimate, I guess, for better or for worse. So when we arrived here, we were ushered straight into this room where the check-in formalities took place. There's no main garden. There's no public bath or even a rental bath. So the onsen here is just in the room, and that's it. So for those of you who want privacy and want to just relax and not go out of the room, especially for those on a honeymoon, this might actually be okay. If you're looking for a little more flavor of a place, for more interaction and just get a sense of the bigger grounds, I guess, of a Japanese inn, this may not suit you. Okay, so you can see here. So this has 3 separate rooms, a bedroom, a living room, and then there's also a dining room, which I will show you in a second. So you come over here. One advantage, again, is all 4 of the rooms have their own onsen bath. So this is the bathroom. Of course, it has a washlet toilet. Kind of an older model, actually, if you want to be picky. So here's the wash basin, 1 sink, and then here is the onsen. Again, if you want to be picky about the hot springs here, it is natural hot springs, straight from the source. However, it is recirculated. It's basically, in Japanese they call it gensen kakenagashi, is when they flow in the onsen and then they discharge it and it's gone. So it's continually free flowing, never recirculated. This is not the case, which in most cases this is how it is, except for top luxury ryokans. They often in the room have it where it is not recirculated and it's constantly flowing straight from the source. So this is not that. But again, it's 4 rooms, it's small, it's intimate. Again, there is no public bath that is communal or rented. And then you come over here. The one thing it's known for, and we'll find out, this is why we're here, is the cuisine. So it is supposed to be up there with the best. And so, again, since there is no public area, common area, there's no restaurant or anything like that, this is where you're served your meals, which is kind of nice. And it is actual real dining table, so you're not going to have to sit on the floor during the whole meal process. You know, compared to Bettei Senjuan, which, as I said, is another famous ryokan, this place doesn't have the view of Tanigawa Dake or Mount Tanigawa. It doesn't have quite the, it doesn't have any grounds, but Senjuan has beautiful grounds. You walk around the corridors and the public areas, and it's just like a walking museum of Japanese craftsmanship, of you know, flower arrangements and things like that. So you don't get that wow factor here. So I'm assuming they're going to make it up with the cuisine, especially since they don't have the free-flowing onsen, and they don't even have a gift shop where often ryokans would actually sell the wares of, you know, local craftsmen, local artisans, as well as, you know, local, I guess, produce, food, you know, things that they're known for. So they don't have any of that. But, you know, we'll see whether it stacks up. So anyways, it's nice, right? You have a living room, bedroom, dining room, all segregated. You have your own onsen bath in the room, and you can open up the sliding glass door to make it kind of an open air style. Anyway, so this is Bettei Yaeno, Minakami, Gunma Prefecture, which is known for its onsen, Kusatsu Onsen, Ikaho Onsen. There's Yuzawa, I think Yuzawa might be in Niigata. Anyway, so it's a renowned location, and you know, we'll see how our whole experience goes here. Bettei Yaeno. Hope you enjoyed.
はい、栗が中に入りました抹茶プリンでございます。
栗が入ってる抹茶プリン。
栗入りの、はい、抹茶プリンでございます。
で、このシロップは何なんですか？
黒蜜でございます。
これをかけるんですか？
お好みで黒蜜をかけてお召し上がりください。
で、これがお茶。
はい、どうぞ。
ありがとうございます。
これ、
皆様お待ちしておりました。
はい、ありがとう。
お天気になりまして。
よかったです。はい。